In the digital age, building an email list is absolutely crucial for your business. Here are 5 compelling reasons why you need to build an email list. Reason number 1, email is a direct and personal way of communication. Email allows you to communicate directly with your audience in a personal and intimate way. Unlike social media or other marketing channels, email is a direct line of communication to your subscribers' inbox, allowing you to tailor your message to the specific needs and interests. Reason number 2, increased engagement and conversions. Email marketing has one of the highest engagement rates of any marketing channel. By building an email list of subscribers who have opted in to receive communications from you, you can deliver targeted and relevant content directly to their inbox, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. Reason number 3, build and nurture relationships. An email list allows you to build and nurture relationships with your audience over time. By consistently providing value through your email communication, you can establish trust and credibility with your subscribers, turning them into loyal customers and brand advocates. Reason number 4, you can use it to drive traffic to your website, blog, or YouTube channel. Email is a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website, blog, or YouTube. By including links of your website, blog, or your YouTube channel in your email communication, you can direct subscribers to your content, products, or services, increasing traffic and engagement on your site. Reason number 5 is greater control and ownerships. How many of us have had our Facebook account shut down? I mean, it has happened to me many times, and I'm sure it may have happened to you too. Unlike other marketing channels, you have greater control and ownership over your email list. Social media algorithms can change and platforms can shut down, but your email list is a valuable asset that you own and control. This gives you the freedom to communicate with your audience on your own terms without relying on third-party platforms. So building an email list is essential for the success of your business. With email marketing, you can communicate directly to your audience, increase engagement and conversions, build and nurture relationships, drive traffic to your website, blog, YouTube, Instagram, and have greater control and ownership over your customers or leads. So start building your email list today. And if you want to learn how to do this, click on the link below and join this course. Bye for now.